Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about these Earth's Best Veggie Puffs. My little one is obsessed with these. They are little puffs that you pop in your mouth. They're pretty good for children of various sizes because they are very soft and they kind of melt in your mouth. They're like little puffs. I love it because I feel confident that he's getting a little bit of plant power in these. And he sees this bag and he literally freaks out until I give it to him. And then he also eats the whole thing. He loves them. That's how much he loves them. He's a little crazy. But I feel really nice about these because I feel good about giving them to him because they are organic and they are non-GMO, gluten-free, all of the things you kind of are looking for to feel good about snacks for your little one. So I love this brand, definitely a great product, and I definitely think you should check them out. And that's my point of view.